The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done. With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. Plumbers keep this from you. I inserted a hose into the toilet and got rid of the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and emits an unpleasant odor, you don't have to call a plumber. All you need is a regular hose from a dishwasher or washing machine and an empty bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half using a knife. Only the top part will be needed. Unscrew the prepared bottle and insert it into the end of the hosey. It should fit perfectly, as these are standard thread sizes. Use duct tape to seal the connection. Twist it several times securely. Take the other end of the hose, cut it to a length of 1 meter. Do this at an angle. This will make it easier to use. Take the prepared hose to the bathroom. It will come in handy for pushing in deep cleaning pipes. Insert it into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's deep enough, stand the bottle upright. Pour a cup of baking soda into it. It has a cleaning and disinfecting effect. Shake the hose to make the powder fall to the bottom. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. It will react with the baking soda, creating a foaming reaction. It will clean the pipe from lime deposits. It will flush out the dirt clogging the drain. The chemical reaction will help eliminate the sludge responsible for the unpleasant odor in the toilet. This action will keep the pipes in good condition for longer, and you won't have to use a plumber's services. After removing the hose, wait for the soda and vinegar to drain into the toilet. Finally, check the water, and you're done. Throw coffee into your toilet. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. This is a simple and cost-effective way to create a useful bathroom cleaner. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee is great for absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda for its cleaning properties. Pour some vinegar into a glass, as it is well known for its disinfecting abilities. Add the vinegar to the bowl with the coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution thoroughly. Once the mixture is ready, you can use it to clean your bathroom. Pour the entire mixture into the toilet. Let it sit for a while to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Then scrub as usual and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. By using this natural cleaner, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier environment. Light a match and throw it in the toilet. Once you try this trick, you'll always do it. And why? In the bathroom, you often have to deal with unpleasant odors. Most people use chemical agents and lots of air fresheners for this. However, there is a much simpler way. Light a match in the toilet. It is the best trick for getting rid of bad odors and one of the cheapest. The smell in the toilet usually appears after using it. Unfortunately, it lingers in the air for a long time, and we usually try to mask it with aerosol air fresheners. You can do this much faster and cheaper. All you need is a box of matches. It's the cheapest and smallest air freshener. Light a match and throw it in the toilet. First, let it burn almost to the end. Don't throw the whole match in, as it can clog the drain. Just light a match, wait until it burns almost to the end, and then throw it away. The gas created when lighting a match perfectly neutralizes all bad odors in the bathroom, and it does so in a second. Additionally, for a longer-lasting effect, you can leave a lit candle by the toilet. It will also remove unwanted odors. Plumbers don't want you to know this. When your toilet gets clogged, don't use hot water to dissolve the blockage. You also don't need to buy a plunger that often fails to clear the clog. Today, I'll show you the best method. It's very simple and only requires a trash bag. Here's what to do. Use a regular 60-liter trash bag. Wrap it tightly around the toilet bowl. Once done, lower the toilet seat. The seat should be dry to ensure the bag sticks well. Make sure the bag is stretched properly under the seat with no air getting underneath. It should be tight enough to create a slight springy effect. To further secure the bag, sit on the toilet seat. Now you can try flushing the toilet. If the bag is properly sealed, pressure will build up. The bag will work to clear the blockage. Flush several times if the water tank allows. This should solve the problem without needing to plunge the pipes. You'll be surprised when your toilet is clear again. This trash bag trick will help you avoid unpleasant surprises in the bathroom. It's surprisingly effective if done correctly. A fizzing toilet cleaner that removes limescale and dirt from the ceramic without scrubbing. You don't even need to lift a finger, and it will clean the entire toilet bowl. That's why more and more people are using it. The key to this trick is to follow the recipe precisely. First, heat 1.5 liters of water to 60 degrees Celsius. Once the water in the kettle reaches the right temperature, pour it directly into the toilet. Make sure you pour it directly into the water, not on the sides. Now, you need a few ingredients. The first one is a white, fine powder. Add 3 tablespoons of this powder, regardless of the toilet's condition. The next ingredient is dish soap. Add 1 tablespoon of it to the toilet. Now it's time for the final secret ingredient, a white granulate. In a moment, I'll tell you exactly what these powders are. Add 3 tablespoons of this as well. As soon as you add this ingredient, a reaction will start immediately in the toilet. The water will begin to foam up to the top of the toilet bowl. Leave the toilet for about 30 minutes, then scrub it thoroughly. After scrubbing, just flush everything away. The toilet will be as clean as new. This toilet mixture can remove limescale, urine deposits, and stubborn stains. The 2 powders are baking soda and citric acid combined with dish soap.